Hi, this is Walter Mann with ZONO. Thanks for your purchase of the ZONO. Every ZONO comes with a manual and a quick start guide. It is very important for every operator to read the manual and quick start guide for their protection and the protection of others before using the machine. The ZONO should be plugged into a dedicated circuit. The ZONO should be plugged in and switched on 24 hours before the first use. This will allow the sensors to become stable while warming up. For optimum results in using your ZONO, level the ZONO with the included wrench before using. First, make sure that the front of the ZONO is just a bit higher than the back of the ZONO to encourage the doors to close. Then test out the lock to ensure that it is aligned. You lock the ZONO by pressing the green button and entering the code 1364 and pressing lock. If the screen turns green, the lock is correctly aligned. The levelers are adjusted by using the supplied 5/8 of an inch wrench. Turn this way to extend the leveler and raise this corner of the machine. Turn this way to lower the lever and lower that corner of the machine. ZONO is shipped with the water shelf and tray wrapped in plastic. The plastic must be removed before installing. The water tray shelf is installed to the right edge of the engine by lifting the engine and align the shelf with the edge of the engine and setting the engine down. The sponges are put in the back of the water tray, 2 sponges for a double door machine, and 1 sponge for a single door machine. Water is filled to approximately half the height of the tray, and then the tray set in place on the shelf. The touch screen shows the status of the machine and allows it to be operated. A green screen means that the door is locked. For example, if we enter the access code, a red screen means the door is unlocked. The green button is inside the ZONO on the engine. The purpose of the green button is to ensure that the operator looks inside the ZONO and presses the green button to ensure that no one is inside before the door is locked or a cycle is started. To load the cart into the ZONO, simply roll the cart up to the ZONO, put your foot on the back bar and lift the front wheels over the lip, and then complete rolling this cart into the ZONO. The red screen means that the door is unlocked. We can lock it by opening the door, pressing the green button inside, closing the door, entering the access code, and pressing lock. You can start the machine by opening the door, pressing the green button, closing the door, entering the access code, and touching Start Sanitize Cycle.